Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transpose data, but you can transpose them inside a cell. Okay. Now generally, if you use the transpose function, it will transpose the data from horizontal to vertical or vertical to horizontal, but in different cells. Okay. And we are going to create a custom formula in this tutorial, and then if we place that formula, this vertical list is going to be placed here horizontally but inside the cell E2. Okay, let's get started. First, we are going to click on developer tab, click on visual basic, click insert and click module. Now write the code here. The code is already written, and if you need the code, you will have to sign up a form and I will email you the code. Okay, so the code is written and I want the data inside cell E2. So I'm going to write our custom formula, which is equal to TRA, and you can see here transpose range. This was our custom formula. Okay, so I'm going to select that and select the range, close parenthesis, press enter. So this data was here, list was in vertical manner from A2 to A13, and the next we have done our custom formula, so the data is here but inside in cell E2. Take a look at here, it's in the cell E2 and all of them was separated with comma. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching, see you in the next tutorial.